I'm not only installing this Molly panel, I'm also installing a Bluetti DC to DC charger. So, let's see. It's a long wire. Can I run it? No, that hole looks too small. Yeah, I do have to drill a larger hole because I have to get these two thick wires with the wire loom through it. That hole that's there is not big enough. But I did buy a grommet kit. I might need this larger one. Let me see. Will that fit? 1, 2, with the loom. Yeah. Wow, what is the hole size there? 1-inch circle. I actually don't have a drill bit that size. You know what? Let me speak about drill bits. Dang, I don't have a drill bit that size either. Oh, that's 3/8. I think I do. Hold on.